Hi, this is a video of Clifford's AcuTron 2 controller from his Dansons stove, pellet stove that he sent me for repairs. When he sent it to me, he was telling me that he had some auger difficulties, auger problems with it. So I received it, tested it. Sure enough, there was some circuitry in the auger controller that had failed. And I waited on some parts. They came in today, installed them, and got the controller going. So I've got the controller hooked up to my tester right now. My tester has 4 bulbs that simulate the igniter, or the combustion fan, the exhaust fan, the auger motor, and it also simulates the convection fan, the room air fan. Because my tester jumpers out a lot of the sensors that may be in your stove, when I turn it on, the combustion fan should come on right away, which is pretty standard amongst all stoves. And then we'll see that the igniter should come on, and so will the auger. So I'll go ahead and turn it on now, and there it is. We have our combustion fan running, and we're cycling through the controller here. So I'll go ahead and press the on button, and when I do that, we should see the igniter and the auger motor come on momentarily. So there it is. The igniter just came on, and the auger motor just came on as well, and off. So as we watch it, we'll see that the yellow light, the auger, should come on at the same time as the green light comes on to show that it's functioning correctly. There it is, green light indicator, and the auger motor should be spinning if all is correct. I can step through the heat zones or heat cycles, and that should make the auger spin a little bit longer, so we're delivering more pellets. So there it is, a little bit longer. So it delivers more pellets to the pit, and the fire rages a little higher. The other thing I can test here real quick is the convection room fan. I can turn it on, and there it is, the red light is on, and it's on low, and I can increase the fan speed, and as I do that, we see that the light gets brighter, indicating that it's running faster and faster. So from my point of view, this controller seems to be functioning normally, and I'm ready to return it to Clifford. Thanks, Clifford. Bye-bye.